Are you ready to take your iPhone to the next level and turn it into a supercomputer? I'm going to show you how. Grab your phone. Click on the App Store, and from here you're going to type in ChatGPT, and this app is free. You're going to want this one here instead of the other one. They do have a paid version for more functionality, but you don't need it. And then you're simply going to download it and then click Open. You can use this app for so many different things. Here I put, I'm not feeling very motivated. What should I do? And from here, it'll give me all sorts of ideas on what I can do. Let's say you want to have a low-carb menu plan. Then you can type that in and it will give you a low-carb menu plan. You can even ask it to give you a shopping list. If you're traveling, you can use this to find different areas that you want to explore, find the best deals on hotels, flights, all different sorts of things. This really does turn your iPhone into a supercomputer.